Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to block someone on Facebook. First step is open Facebook app on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal line in the top right side. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. And then scroll down and click Blocking. It's the block user section. Tap Add to Blocked List. Enter the name of the profile that you want to block and then click Block. Bear in mind that people will not be notified when you block them.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.